Welcome to Brighton.
An inclusive, free-thinking city.
A city known for positive change and transformation.
And home to the 2023 European Congress of Psychology. The event brings together 2,000 psychology experts from across Europe. We'll highlight the key issues that are uniting and dividing the global community,
including poverty,
inequality,
conflict,
and climate change.
Let's come together and use psychology to make a difference.
We've packed our programme with keynote speakers, symposia, workshops and talks.
where we'll examine how psychology can address the issues in a highly volatile world.
And what about the next generation of psychologists?
Well, there will be a dedicated student event so we can present our work on the European stage too.
On behalf of the British Psychological Society, we're delighted to be your host for ECP 2023. We're the largest community of psychologists in the UK with over 120 years of history, and we can't wait for you to join us in Brighton.
Soak up this superb seaside resort on the sunny Sussex coast. Celebrate this colourful culture, the bustling beaches, and get inspired for a brighter future.
As psychologists, we are stronger together.
And psychology has the power to influence and advocate for change.
Let's come together to build a fairer, more sustainable world.
Join us for Sun, Sea, Sand and Psychology.